Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Dumple Bear Show. And today we will have another Beyblade X, and we have here a booster pack of our BX16. And yeah, I already know what is in the inside of this one because I bought this it's a random booster, but I bought the opened one because we already know that we got the winning bay. Yeah, we got the winning bay right here. So I just use a little bit higher amount of money to have this one, but not so expensive. Okay, still in the right amount of money. Yeah, maybe higher than higher in 30 to 40% of the price. So yeah, it's still a good catch for this one. Okay, let's go. Let's have it. And yeah, it's already open because yeah, they see if it is real. It's the real Viper Tail. Yep, there's the code and BX1601. That's why it's your Viper Tail. So there's no such excitement for this one because we already know. But yeah, we will try because it's the original one. I already have a bootleg or a fake Beyblade X Viper Tail right here, so we will see if the fake or the original will be the stronger one. But still, we know the original is very heavy comparing to the fake one. But yeah, there are still instances that the fake also wins on some battles. But yeah, let's go. Let's open. And yeah, that's it. So the box right here. So let's open the blade. So this is the original Viper Tail. Let's go. Let's go. So we have here, woo, very nice. So that's your original Viper Tail, man. Yeah, it's original because the screws, that's one of the things that you need to see if it's original or not. And wow, this one of the unique styles of Viper Tail. It has some honeycomb like patterns inside. Very nice because it's like the scales of a snake. As you can see there, it goes out on the blade also. Very nice here. Now let's have its ratchet. So its ratchet is this one, and it's a 580. Am I right? 580. Yeah, it's a 580. Then its bit is a ball. Is it a ball? This is a oval. O, it's O right there. Yeah, it's circle, but it's nice. So let's assemble this one. Let's go. The Price Bay Viper Tail. Ooh, that's it. Now let's go and let's have our stadium so that we will have a spin test and a spin battle with some of our Beyblade X right here. Let's go. A little bit of a second and we will have our stadium. Let's go. Woo! Okay, so we have now our stadium, and yeah, first we will have a spin test. Yeah. So I will use what do you call this one? A Reaper. Yeah. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. It's the original, man. That's how it works. It's very nice to hear that sound of the original Beyblade X. It really stays on the middle. For this season of Beyblade X, which is the your Beyblade X generation, Viper is the one of my favorite base today. Okay, it's because it's very stable, and also it can really withstand some attacks. It absorbs some attacks. Very nice. It's like giving some venom to other Beyblade X when it has a battle. Yep. So that's how strong it is, and it really goes stable on the center. It's a defense type. It's like a defense type because of its bit right here, which is O or oval. Yeah. So now we will use a double string launcher right here so that we can have two base at the same time. So we'll have a Viper Tail versus my Shark Edge from the random booster, but I custom this one to be like the beat of our Shark Edge, but the ratchet for this one is 4. It's a 480 Shark Edge with a, I don't know what is this one, taper. So is it taper? I forgot the bit, the name of the bit. And then versus with our Viper Tail. So let's go. Let's have this one. I should have this double, and this is a 3D printed one which I ordered so that I can launch two at the same time. So ready, 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Whoa! What the? Viper tail should be the star on this video, but yeah, shark edge, man, that's very strong. What the heck? Okay, another bottle. I can really say that our launcher right here is not so strong when I'm using this one. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Ooh! Okay, nice. Oh, it's a draw. Another one, another one. Fast moving kind of bottle. That's your Baby X. Wait, this is the original string launcher and this is the fake one. But yeah, why? The original one is not handling the shark edge right. Shark edge, not the shark, but the viper tail. What happened? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Hey! It's a ring out. What the? Again. Another one. Okay. So, where's the shark edge? There, ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Nice lunch. Let's see. But yeah. Ooh. What the? And yeah, Viper tail wins, but it's not the strongest form of our viper tail and also our shark edge. So I will try to have them on a launcher. Let's have first the viper tail, then the shark edge. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! And then our that's how strong if you will use the shark edge wins. Very strong, man. Very strong one. So I will just use the Reaper. Okay. So let's rip it. Okay. So now next is our Viper tail versus your Leon Claw. But again, it's not the blade is original, but the ratchet and the bit is not, because yeah, it's a free. I think this is also from the Viper tail. It's a free Leon Claw when I ordered this Viper tail. Yeah. So let's do it. Let's go. I will have first your Viper tail for this match. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! And then your Leon Claw. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's see who will win. Whoa! No contact yet. Okay, though. There it is. Ready? Whoa! That's big. Whoa! Whoa! And oh, okay. So Leon Claw get it for that round. Has been finished. Now let's have the Leon Claw first, then the Viper tail. Let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Oh shit! Woo! Very strong. Whoa! Whoa! Heavy, man. Whoa! And yeah, Viper tail wins for that. So that's our Viper tail. Very strong. And now, we will have your Viper tail original versus your Viper tail fake one. So we can really say that this is the fake one because the screw that they use is not the same with our Viper tail right here. The original one, which in the Baby X. So let's have first the Viper tail fake, then the original. Let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Woo! Oh! Oh! Who's that? Original or the fake one? I think it's the fake one. Yeah! Original wins. Original wins. Again! Let's have the original first this time, and then let's have the fake on the last shot. Okay? Let's go, Viper tail. Let's see. Okay, it's still okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot! Boo! Oh! 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 Oops! Oh, who will win? Original or the fake one? Oh! It's a first finish for our... Is it? Yeah, it's for the original. So the original one wins for that round. Very nice. So I would like to have the Beyblade X Viper Tail an attacker, or it's an attack type kind of Beyblade. So thank you so much, fake Viper Tail. Let me have another bay right here. Now let's have the Cobalt Drake. So I will have first your Viper Tail, then your Cobalt Drake. Let's see if it can really withstand. And the Cobalt Drake right here is a fake, okay? It's a fake one. But yeah, let's see. It's an attack. Let's see if it can handle the Cobalt Drake. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Go. Shoot! Ooh! Ooh! Very heavy. A heavy attacker, Cobalt Drake. But yeah, Viper Tail is going out of spin. Oops! Who will win? Okay, Cobalt Drake wins for that. But yeah, it's just a less of second before the Cobalt Drake also loses its speed. Now let's have it again. Another one. So again, have the Viper Tail first. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Cobalt Drake. Let's go. Ooh. 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 Okay. Let's see. Oh! It's a pocket, man. Still, Cobalt Drake wins for that. Now, let's see if Cobalt Drake goes first and then our Viper Tail next. Okay, because yeah, it's a handicap. But yeah, let's see. Let's try having this string launcher again. But yeah, it's not so strong. You cannot really spin it in the strongest spin of the Beyblade because you will draw them at the same time. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Ooh! Okay. Another one. Viper Tail wins for that. But yeah. Again. Let's see. Oops. Okay, ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Oh! Cobalt Drake is very strong for those attacks. Yeah, but it's not the original. Now let's have an original attacker, which is your... Yeah, this one. It's your Grand Sword, but the tip is, or the bit is not the original one. So because it has the on the shark edge. Yeah, so I will change that and have the shark edge. And this is my very first Beyblade X. So let's see if it can really withstand. So let's have first your Viper Tail. Let's go back to the Reaper. Okay, ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Steel Grand Sword is one of the best attack type of our Beyblade X. Yeah, another one. Let's have again still first your Viper Tail because it's a defense type. Let's go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Okay, it's already an handicap. But whoa! What's that? Yeah, handicap already because I lost for how many seconds already? Right there. So yeah, let's have this string launcher. Let's see if it will still have the same result. Okay, so right now it's not having a handicap because they will launch at the same time. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Ooh! Oh, Viper Tail losing its balance, and it's a burst finish for our Grand Sword on that. Wow, strong. Still, Grand Sword, even its beat is not the original one, but still, it really goes out. Another one, another play. This would be the last one. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh! Up. Whoa. Oh! Okay, Viper Tail wins for that. So that is our Viper Tail out of the box, or yeah, or an unboxing and a spin test and a or a battle, test battle, so that our original Viper tail, and this is our fake one. So yeah, so fake or not, still strong. Viper tail is nice, but yeah, prone to bursting because it has 5 contact points here on its ratchet, and it's very very wide kind of contact points. Not like here, it's a 360. It's a 360, so it's lower. So that's why it really goes, if it goes down right here, it really gets its ratchet. Yeah, it's a attack type and more lower. But the Viper tail also has this kind of funks like right here, which can really knock out some attack type or lower base. But yeah, still, it's like a lock. Yep, it's like a lock on battling. It's still strategy, but yeah, it's still lock where it will have its contact. Okay, so that's our Viper tail. Our, what is that? What is the box here? It's the BX16 random booster, but it's the winning day of our Viper tail. Okay, so that is our unboxing of our Beyblade X Viper tail for today. And I hope you like this video. And if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification button to inform for our next videos. Okay, so yeah, I have the original one, and also I have the fake one. So it's very nice. Maybe I will have some shorts or short videos for battles for our Viper tail original and our fake ones. Wow, very nice. Oh yeah, we can really have some comparison for this one, because as you can see, the blades, man, it's not the same. They don't have the same design. Here it's like a honeycomb, right here it's not. Okay, so we'll have some comparison for that next time. That's it. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off. Even it's not a Gunpla. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go shoot.